Hi everyone, it is Shivkumar from Computer Science Department. In the topic Principles of Management, we are going to see the topic organizing process. Let's get into the topic. Organization is the process of establishing relationship among the members of enterprise. The relationships are created in terms of authority and responsibility. To organize is to harmonize, coordinate, or arrange in a logical and orderly manner. Organizing involves identification and grouping the activities to be performed and dividing them among the individuals and creating authorities and responsibilities relationship among them to accomplish the organizational objectives. Steps involved. There are various steps involved in this process. Let us see one by one. First one is determination of objectives. It is the first step in building up an organization. Organization is always related to certain objectives, therefore, it is essential for management to identify the objectives before starting any activities. Organization structure is built on the basis of objectives of the enterprises. The next one is the enumeration of objectives. If the members of the groups are to pool their effect effectively, there must be proper division of major activities. The first steps in organizing group effort is division of the total job into essential activities, and each job should be properly classified and grouped. And the next one is the classification of activities. The next steps, which is classify activities according to the similarities and common purposes and functions, and taking human and material resources into the accounts. Next, the assignment of duties. Here, specific job assignments are made to different subordinates for ensuring a certainty of work performance. Each individual should be given a specific job to do according to his ability and made responsible for that. And the last one is the delegation of authority. Since so many individuals work in the same organization, it is responsibility of management to lay down structure of relationships in the organization. Thank you.